In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI video in Canva step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Canva website and log into your account. On the Canva homepage, click Custom Size. Enter your video dimensions. Set the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. Then click Create a Design to open your new video project. Once the video editor opens, look at the left-hand sidebar. Click Apps, then search for Magic Media. Open Magic Media to access Canva's AI tools. Inside Magic Media, select the Video option. You'll now see a text box where you can describe the video you want Canva to create. Now enter a detailed prompt describing your scene. For example, a cinematic drone shot flying over beautiful mountains at sunset, realistic style, smooth camera movement, and dramatic lighting. After entering your prompt, click Generate and wait a few moments while Canva creates your AI video. Once the results appear, preview the generated clips and choose the one you like. Click the clip to add it to your video project. Now you can customize your video by adding text, music, transitions, animations, and other clips. Adjust the timing until your video looks exactly the way you want. When your video is ready, click Share, select Download, choose MP4 video, and download your finished video. And that's how you can create an AI video in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.